Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about one strong stock and one weak stock for tomorrow's trading session, that would be on 30th of December 2024. We are also going to discuss about Nifty, Banknifty, how they are performing right now, what could happen in tomorrow's session. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, do hit the subscribe button, and also if you're liking the videos, don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, coming to Nifty first. See, Nifty, what is there? This is an important trend line. Okay, we are looking at Nifty 5 minutes chart, Nifty January future 5 minutes chart. Okay, this is an important trend line. Now what is important in this trend line is, see, this trend line can also be drawn something like this. Okay, if we are extending this chart to a 1 hour chart, this will be a valid trend line. You can see this. Okay, so coming back to 5 minutes, it is the same trend line. So if in case you see a breakout of this trend line, do we go ahead and buy? The answer is, I would say no, friends. Why? Because currently we are in a downtrend. Okay, if I'm drawing a Fibo from recent top to recent bottom, okay, what do we see? It has not even retraced till 38.2 levels. So if there is a breakout of this trend line, good possibility that it will go touch the 38.2 levels and then again fall. Now if you want to carry or capture the small points here, yes, you can go ahead and buy. Not here, friends, not at this breakout. You can buy at this particular breakout. I'll draw that for you. This breakout, and you can capture these points. In this case, you will have a smaller stop loss. But in my suggestion, wait for it to retrace till 38.2. At 38.2, what will happen? It will also see the rejection of this particular gap. Okay, this gap will act like a resistance. And if it is falling from there, good possibility that it will continue to fall. It will also break this bottom trend line, which is looking something like this. Now, when we have drawn these two trend lines, let me also draw one more trend line and give you a bigger picture. Okay, see, this is another trend line now that I am drawing. Now, if you are able to see these three trend lines, please put it in the comment, Nifty followed by the name of this pattern. Okay, what does this mean to you? Okay, please put this. Now this is also a replication of a downtrend, so good possibility that the first target will be this bottom here. Okay, second target will be this bottom, and what would be the third target? For third target, I'm zooming back. This is your third target. This can be achieved in one day, friends. Now for this particular pattern, what is the ultimate target? The ultimate target will be so much. Now, do we expect such big targets in a day? The answer is no. This is not what we are expecting in one day. Anyways, coming to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty story is also little bit similar. See, this is the bottom that it has created here. This is the top. Okay. Now, again, I'm drawing similar trend lines here also. First trend line like this, second trend line like this, and third trend line like this from the top till this area. Again, similar pattern that I have showed you. What will be the target? First target would be here, this one. Second and final target, if when I am zooming back, is coming till this area, 50,448. Let's consider 50,500, friends. Okay, that could be your target downwards. Now, when will we go long on both Nifty and Bank Nifty? For that, the answer is very simple, friends. See, now once it crosses this particular gap and it comes to 61.8 levels, that is 24,547. For convenience, 24,550. Okay, 550 ke upar, above 550, if it is going to give you a closure of a candle, 5 minutes candle, and then if it is retracing, that's when we will consider that this downtrend has now ended and it has converted to uptrend. Okay, and its retracement will give us, first target will be the top, which it has previously made, second target this one, and third target will be the new all-time high, friends. So similarly, what would be the level at for Bank Nifty? For Bank Nifty, level is simple, 52,997. Convenience, 53,000. will be the level that we'll consider as trend changing level. That is when we will call it an uptrend again. Now once 53,000 is touched, friends, and if it retraces a little, okay, that's when we'll buy. And first target will be this level 53,000, second target 53,500, third target will be 54,250, and then it will have a new high. We don't have that yet. So that is about Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you have liked the video till now, do hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button if you have still not subscribed. Coming to the strong and the weak stock for tomorrow. See friends, when I'm talking about strong, that doesn't mean that tomorrow early in the morning we'll go ahead and buy. No, that's not what I mean. Okay, if there is an opportunity, that is when we'll buy. Currently market is in a downtrend. Okay, now here I am looking at chart of Bharti Airtel. Okay, you can see here is the name that is mentioned. Now what do we see? We see a perfect breakout. Now if I am drawing a Fibo from recent bottom, which is here, to the recent top, which is here, okay, what you will see, it has retraced till 61.8 level, but it did not touch. Okay, this is not a trend changing. It should have touched or broken this level and stayed below this. That is when we would consider that it wasn't downtrend. Now in this case, what has happened, it has come to this area without touching 61.8. It retraced back. What it also did, a clear breakout. It sustained above that area, retraced, and continued to make a upward movement. What else do we see? We see a bottom, a second bottom, and a breakout and an upward momentum. If I am drawing a line like this, okay, this is your breakout of your double bottom. To be very, very specific, let me also draw this line. This is your clear breakout of double bottom. Nothing, no doubts at all. After this, if it retraces here, we can go ahead and expect first target 1613 1613, second target 1620, and the final target would be 1627. Okay, this is a good 30-point move on Airtel, friends. Coming to weak stock. Weakness is something that we are seeing in Reliance, friends. Reliance, what has happened is, see, first top, bottom. Second top is a lower top, okay, lower high. Okay, and here it has made the same low, and then it has made another lower high and a lower low. Okay, so when there is a high, a lower high, and a lower high, okay, that means it is in a downtrend. Okay, coming to reason number 2. See, look at this particular trend line that I'm going to draw. This trend line also suggests that there is a clear breakdown here. Breakdown followed by a retest. Now good chance that it can retest a little more, but then we will wait for a candle closure below this area and then short. Now what we can also do, reason number 3 is, if I am drawing a Fibo from recent top to recent bottom, which is here, okay, we can go ahead and short at this area, which is a 38.2 levels. The number there will be 1231. 1231 levels is what we can short. First target will be this bottom 1227, second target will be 1225, and the final target would be 1213. Now are we going to wait for such a big target in one day? Probably we can. If market is falling, yes, it will fall till there. But if in case you see that it's staying here for some time, there is a gap, it is not going below that gap, then go ahead and book profits somewhere here itself, friends, in 1220 areas. Okay, this gap is something that if it fills, then it will continue to fall further downwards. Okay, just keep that in mind. This is the third target that I'm giving you, 1214, but good possibility that it can continue to fall below that also if the gap is filled. Okay, I hope you liked the video, friends. If there was some learning that you have got from the video, do subscribe and also share it with the friends who are interested to trade in stocks, friends. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable day tomorrow.